So yeah, hi guys, welcome back. It's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe. This video is an unboxing video and it's a vegan box from a company called Vegan Kind. It's a beauty box like any other beauty box, but everything inside is vegan. If you like my nail polish, it's from a company called Ciate London. It is a London brand, and it's cruelty free, and it's in the colour Chain Reaction, a very pretty purple. It's kind of like metallic with specks of glitter in it, light purple glitter, but very pretty. I do believe that this colour is probably going to be on trend for the spring summer season. So back to the box. It's a beauty box. They do other boxes, food boxes. The company does 4 beauty boxes. It's done quarterly throughout the year. First time I'm going to be opening the box. I purchased this one from last year, so this vegan beauty box came out in November. That was the last beauty box for the year, but I am subscribed for 4 new beauty boxes for this year. Here we go. Oh yes, it is the box that I ordered from last November. I didn't order it last November, but this is the beauty box from last November. So I've got myself a bonus box for the year. And inside you get a leaflet of everything that you are expected to get. Inside my box for the November 2017 edition is a Maggie Ann Gel Effect Nail Polish or Varnish. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I get a 10% discount on any supermarket orders throughout November, so that's expired. Anyway, inside the box is a Maggie Ann Gel Effect Nail Varnish. It says that it's quick to apply and easy to remove, and it lasts up to 7 days of colour and shine. It's a vegan okay, and it's not tested on animals. Ooh, the colour is a lovely red, and it's a lot like the nail polish I'm wearing. It looks like it's metallic with hues of orange. Oh, I can't wait to wear that. So you pull off the lid, and then it's got your regular screw top. Also inside the box is a Naughty to the Rescue Intense Moisture Treatment. It's a natural hair care, and it's natural, 97% natural, and it's an intense moisture treatment for frizzy and damaged hair with sweet almond and black oats. Ooh la la. It says, after washing, work a generous scoop into hair, gently comb through for better results, leave for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse away. Can be left up to 20 minutes for an intense treatment. Well, I can't wait to try that out on my newly short hair. My hair gets very, very dry, so an intense moisture treatment is very good for my hair, especially this time of the year. Also inside the box is a Dr. Botanicals Topical Invigorating Cream. Oh wow, it's a duo moisturizer. I'm just going to try a little bit now because my hands do feel a bit dry. It's light in consistency. It smells gorgeous. It's enough slip on there. It just feels nice and creamy on the hands. Also inside the box is a it's F-R-U-U Skincare Tinted Mulberry Lip Balm. Now, Mulberry Colour Balm is the superstar of Frou Skincare's brand new and exciting range of 8 Fruitalicious vegan tinted lip balms. And the cap comes straight off when you pull it. A little device underneath that you use to turn to release some lipstick. but I will apply it to my hand. So, oh, that feels very moisturised, very glossy, and it's got a nice purpley hue to it. And it does smell very, very fruity, so you probably more than likely be licking that off the whole time. And the last product in the box is a Bella Paris Excite Shimmer Powder, and basically it's a highlighter for your cheekbones, this area, your cupid's bow, your eyebrows, or your collarbone, wherever you want your body to be highlighted. Wow, very, very sparkly, very sparkly. It's in the colour like a champagne cream colour, so not pure white, so I don't think it will look silly on darker skin, but it's very, very glittery. Right guys, that's it. That's all the items I've shown you. They're all vegan, cruelty-free products. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did opening the box. If you guys like this video, again, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, because I enjoy reading your comments and replying to them. I bought that Vegan Kind box with my own money, and I do have a subscription for the rest of the year. Like I said, that box is from last November. I got their last beauty box for the year. Their first beauty box for the year starts in February, so if you want to see that, stay tuned. So until next time, bye!